Yesterday we had our weekly founders meeting webinar, and it was probably one of the most powerful webinars that I've ever been on. And we had a lot of leaders there, from Susie McRae to Michael Williams to Red Redfern to Jeffrey Morlock, and of course Marty DeGarmo and Dan Street. They were in rare form as usual, and many others. If I missed your name, I apologize. But the first part of the webinar, extremely powerful, very, very, very good. And we weren't sure Ash was going to come on. He was having meetings yesterday, and we got toward the end of the meeting. We didn't think he was going to be coming on, and Marty was about to shut down the meeting, and Ash called him and said, "Listen, I'll be on in 5 minutes." Everybody got very excited about that. We always love it when Ash comes on the webinar and chats with us. And Ash, as he came on, he was driving between one meeting and another. So it really was a drive-by webinar with Ash Mufareh. And as Ash started to talk, you could just see the excitement level going up and up and up. It just exploded. This was probably one of the best webinars I've ever seen Ash do. And I'm going to go over a couple of things that he talked about, and they were just mind-blowing. I mean, it was palpable. The excitement that was on this webinar was palpable. You could feel the excitement in the air. It really was that powerful. And Ash, as he started talking, he started to talk about the rollout of OnPassive, the soft launch, the hard launch, the product launch, and how all this was going to be happening as we move forward. I cannot talk about what he said on an open forum. I can't do it. If you are a founding member, you can go into the back office, listen to the webinar. It'll get you extremely excited about where you're at. When he started to talk about the rollout and how it was going to happen, and by the way, guys, we are very, very close. In fact, I can tell you that I believe I know the timeline for the soft launch and hard launch. I know the timeline, just based on what Ash said and listening to Ash. I'm not going to tell you. I can't. It was a proprietary meeting. But I'm pretty sure I know the timeline of soft launch, hard launch. We're very, very close. But as he talked about the hard launch, and the sheer excitement that's going to be built online with customers and those individuals coming in to participate with OnPassive. What he is doing, what he and his team is doing, is better than anything I've ever seen in business. You know, if you look at Apple, the Apple company, and you look at their iPhone, the phone that they roll out every year, they always have a new iPhone that they roll out every year. And the way they do it is they build excitement. They go, the phone's coming out this date. Here are some of the features. They come on, they show you the phone. So they build that excitement up with the people that love Apple and love the Apple phone. And by the time they launch the phone and people can come in and buy it, people are just lined up to buy that phone. This is what Ash Mufareh is doing with OnPassive. And as we go into the soft launch and then roll out into the hard launch, it is going to be explosive. If you are not a founding member today, I highly recommend that you consider it. Really highly consider the founding membership of OnPassive. And if you're just exploring it, there's a video I did just the other day. It goes over everything OnPassive and how it can benefit you. I recommend you run over and take a look at it, and then come in and pay the $97. What's going to be happening in the next days, weeks, and months? It's going to be historic. The way OnPassive is going to explode online, how it's going to go viral, and how all these customers are going to be coming in because they're anticipating OnPassive. They're anticipating the products of OnPassive. What Ash Mufareh is doing, it is just so neat. It really is genius. And as I listened to what Ash was doing, and Marty and Dan, they agree with me, we just went, oh, wow. We knew it was extremely good, but it's better than that. Ash has this stuff under control. Susie McCrae came on, and about a week ago, she asked me, well, how is this rollout going to go? How is Ash going to get the products out there? How is all this going to happen? And she's been in the corporate world before. She knows how it used to be done with her companies. So she was a little anxious about what Ash was going to do. And of course, she listened to Ash yesterday, and it just blew her away. She is so pumped up about where we're at and where we're going, and the time frame very, very short. So this year, it's going to be extremely exciting. The drive-by webinar of Ash Mufareh, it was just awesome. I think it's the best webinar he's ever done. If you're a founder, I recommend you go in and listen to it. A lot of the things that Ash talked about, I can't talk on a video because it is just for founders. But if you're a founder, go on in, take a look at it. You're absolutely going to love it. If you're not a founder, continue to explore OnPassive. Go on down to the video I have down below. It's about a, 15, 16 minute video. Take a look at it. It will show you what OnPassive can do for you, the benefits of OnPassive, and how your life can change. Go ahead and take a look at it. And then come on in, become a founding member. Today it is a $97 position. And then get in the back office, the founder back office, and listen to Ash, listen to Marty, Dan, and all the other leaders that were on yesterday. It was just absolutely awesome. So the meeting yesterday, it is a precursor of the good things that are coming very, very shortly. We're very, very excited about what Ash had to say yesterday. And obviously, he keeps feeding us stuff every single week. As he comes on and gives us more stuff, obviously I'll come on and tell you what I can. But come on in, become a founder. You do not want to miss this boat, this train, this plane, whatever acronym you want to use. This is a real deal. It's happening today, and it will change your life. So that's it for today, guys. Have a great day, and yeah, we'll just absolutely see you at the top.